All right, let's talk about compound components in Devise. Some blocks that you add to your page are just going to give you a single layer. They're very what you see is what you get, like this text block that I just added. Other ones, though, like the dialogue block, if I add that to my page, you're going to see it added a whole bunch more than just a single layer. It added this dialogue trigger that has a button inside of it. Then I've got this dialogue content, which actually represents the little white card where all the stuff goes. Compound components make it really easy to build more complex pieces of UI quickly in your app by taking care of all the setup that you have to do and all the plumbing. So this dialog component, if I go and preview this, it's going to work like I have a button to open it. I can click this button and I can click outside of it and close it. That's all going to work without needing to set up any workflows or have to add a whole bunch of elements yourself. Another important part of compound components is it's not just about styling. You could use containers and buttons and text and recreate what we give you here. But a lot of what is important with these compound components is accessibility. So you'll notice that we don't just use a regular container here. We use this special container called dialog header that actually has some special accessibility properties on it that make it so if someone is using your app who has a disability or uses a screen reader or needs some other help while browsing the web, your app is going to be already built and ready for them to use right out of the box. So it's important when you're building your app that you not just think about, oh, what looks nice or what's performant, but it's important that we make our apps accessible as well. And Devise, of course, makes that super easy with compound components.